Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I want to say a few words about an open source tool that might help you to test the compatibility of your React products against different environments and builders. So basically the tool uses GitHub Actions to test the compilation and how the product starts using different version of Node.js and different builders like Yarn or npm, and also you can use the tool against external kits. So you just need to in order to use it, you just need to follow up the instructions provided in this section. So the first thing is to open the repositories and save here all the repositories you want to test. Can be more than one, of course. The compatibility file specifies the version of Node.js you want to use. In this case, it's a legacy version, but I will change it just to trigger the build. And in the report extractor file, you can specify the builder, which can be Yarn or npm. You can use them both. Let's visualize the options. Here we have a React kit. Here we have Node.js version 10. So I will update it, and also here I will preserve Yarn because I'm using it and it's much faster than npm. So cool. So we have here this kit. I will update the Node.js version. I will put 16 here, and I will flag the commit with the test information, which is React Horizon kit Node.js 16, and the builder is Yarn. Here on GitHub Actions, I will open up the tab. Once we save the file, we should see here a new task started by the GitHub platform automatically. So I will commit the changes and go here to the actions page and wait a few seconds to access the running task. So this is pretty cool. This tool might be useful in case you have multiple React versions and you get in support requests like from users that signals some issues with Node.js 12, but you test the product on Node.js 16 and stuff like that. So the tool is able to provide the compatibility metrics without any manual work. In case you just have enough information to inform your users that the product you are selling or coding is compatible with this and this version of Node.js, and can be successful build with using Yarn or npm or only Yarn. So in our cases was super useful. We had a lot of requests in support that some versions were not okay, and we decided to build the tool. Let's access the task here, and we can see that the GitHub provides a live log. Once the task is finished, the script is will provide a report with all the steps, if they were successful or not. If the build was successful, the script tries to take a screenshot just to visualize the UI. Of course, for failed builds, we will not be able to get the screenshot. So the test is almost finished. The packages were successfully installed. Now the React script starts the application on the default port, and the job is completed. Okay, if we go here, once the job is completed, we have here a reports artifact, which contains some things. There is a log file which contains the name of the kit, the builder, in this case was yarn, Node.js version, and the status of the execution. So we can see here that the status is okay, and all the steps are flagged with success. If we go to screenshot, we see here that the application starts as expected. This is pretty cool, I think, and we can repeat the test using let's say a legacy version of Node.js. I will update here the version to put an old one, let's say Node.js 10. And I will commit and put here React Horizon Node.js 10 and yarn. Okay, cool. Let's go back to the actions tab and check out the execution status. Okay. We have some warnings because many packages are not compatible with this version. So I expect to have a failed build, but the full log is accessible in this screen. Cool. So the job is completed. Let's check out the reports. In this case, the status is failed, and we can see that the installation was unsuccessful. So guys, in case anyone thinks this tool is useful, of course can be used with other frameworks, because all the opinionated things stays outside of the packages.json, so you can test it with Vue.js or other kits as well. Let's I will use another account of mine to use the kit. In case anyone finds this tool useful, just access the repository here and click on use this template. I will use the same name. Okay. So once you have cloned the repository, just edit the files here, repository. Okay, you need to save here your target. Compatibility, as I said before, you can update here the version of the script, and in this script you can update the builder. I will use yarn. Here I will update the version to be 16. Okay, and I will just use a React kit from Creative Theme. Let's say they have some really nice Chakra UI kits. Let's say Purity. I will use the link and save it here in the okay. Once the repository is saved, also the Node.js is saved, we need to commit the changes, and I will put here all the information just to know what the tests were made for this in this environment. Node.js 16 in the yarn. Okay, I will access the actions tab, and we can see that the build is triggered. Let's access the live log and see how it goes. Okay. So another important fact until the build is over is the license of the tool is MIT. So feel free to use it. Feel free to use it in your company. There is no limitation. In case anyone needs support, we have here some links. I will access them after the um, execution is finished. Looks like the product build is successful using this NodeJS version. Installation was okay. Now the React prepares the production build, and we will get the final status once the execution is over. Another good part with this workflow is that the matrix is executed at the same time using different options. So the tasks are not queued one after another. So you just launch them, and the tests are made are executed using different threads. So you you'll get a compatibility test response in the super fast. Okay, so the test is over. Let's access the reports here and check out the status. In this case, it's okay. Purity React is compatible with Node.js 16 using Yarn, and also we have that amazing screenshot. So guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the product. In case anyone needs support, there is a small link here. Um, we can improve the product in case anyone submits a good product request. We are 24/7 on Discord, so try to help anyone. Thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. Feel free to use the tool. Let us know what you think, and we thank you in advance for your feedback. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.